Feast your eyes on this stunning factory edition KTM. Guys, check out this stunning KTM 250 Factory Edition. Came loaded with all the best goodies right out of the box, and a few more were added by the previous owner, Steve Tomlinson. We just bought a 25 bike motocross collection from him. He's in his later 60s, didn't ride much, and when he did ride, as you can see, the bike wasn't ridden that hard. It's absolutely pristine. He took it to Glen Helen, California, to the World Vet Motocross. I thought it'd be pretty cool to leave that sticker on there. If you want to take that off, a heat gun will take that right off. And the original factory graphics, which are impregnated, are in mint condition. You can see the bike was never thrashed through the mud or anything. Steve took really good care of it. He had 25 bikes. We bought every one of them. This one's no exception. It's an absolute diamond. When it came in, we went right through it, changed all the fluids, serviced the brakes, put a brand new set of Dunlop tires on there, brand new Renthal chain and sprocket, black sprocket. And right out of the box, these came with all the goodies: the anodized triple clamps, the bars, Magura levers and Magura hydraulic clutch, the WP suspension. It's got the Takasago XL. These are the original rims. Check this out. Check this out. Look at how nice these are, man. They're freaking beautiful. Like, usually, anybody knows anything about moto, if this bike was hammered, you wouldn't even be able to read that. That is usually blown off by power washers. It's got the aluminum hubs, black rims. It's got the starting device on here. The bike is absolutely freaking beautiful. It still has the original warning sticker. Check this out. Actually, Tyler behind the camera said, we're talking about the bike before we started videoing. I should have just said what he said. He said, it's like getting a brand new KTM for half price, because it basically looks brand new. You know, price one of these new factory editions out of the KTM dealer, they're north of 10G. This bike will be half that, and it's still got the competition only sticker on here. The radiators are in beautiful condition. This is all original. This bike's 100% original. The plastics, graphics, look at the seat cover on it. It's freaking mint. He did add his number on the side, the number 9. This could be taken off. You could take that decal off if you wanted to. The original factory exhaust is still on there. The black rear rim is also in outstanding condition. Look at that, it still has the logo on there. Brakes are mint. It's got brand new brake pads on the rear. We put brand new brake pads, brand new chains and sprockets, brand new tires, changed all the fluids. It's got a new air filter. The WP shock is still in mint shape. Look at the spring on it. It's like there's no chips on it. It's freaking beautiful, man. It looks like a brand new KTM, runs like a brand new KTM. It's got the ODI orange KTM grips, electric start. It doesn't get any better than this. The bike has a 58.7 vet rider hours. And the bottom of the frame rails look as good as the top. Let me show you the frame rails. Take a look, see. They're in beautiful condition. Just got a couple of, from being on the stand, a couple of black marks on the stand, but there's no dings. The paint's not even chipped all the way through. It's a freaking diamond. If you're looking for a KTM Factory Edition for off-road or moto, and you don't want to spend over 10G, well, your ship just came in. Give Junior a call. I'll hook you up. We can ship it right to your door. You can finance it just like a new bike through Freedom Road. We take trades, and we can deliver this right to your door. White glove, roll-on, roll-off shipping. Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Thanks for watching, and God bless America.